Hi, my name is Garnett Banfield with Flux Production, LLC, based in New York City. I currently work for TBN, Trinity Broadcast Network, on 15th Street in Union Square. I have been their lighting director for over 9 years, and I have seen hundreds, if not thousands, of pastors cross the stage, anywhere people from CeCe Winan, Donnie McClurkin, Steve Harvey, Joel Osteen. So many pastors and great people have crossed that stage and told their testimonies to the world. And my job, my only job in there, is to make sure that the lighting is correct. So there's no need for editing later on or trying to fix bad lighting. I want to point out one thing to you right now is this recording is actually being done in a room where I'm just using a overhead light in the room. And as you can probably tell from the lighting, and it's purposely done for this reason, to show you a before and an after video. If you probably look closely, my forehead is probably lit very harsh, and my eyes are probably dark in color. And there's reasons for that. And you cannot fix that in, as I say, in post-production, where you sit in front of Final Cut Pro or some editing software and trying to fix the lighting. Once it's bad in the beginning, it's difficult to fix later on in editing. So the goal is to, how do you get the lighting perfect so you don't see these issues that you're seeing with me right now? I have a backdrop, but one light source, and it's not great. I've seen a lot of pastors submit their videos to our station and get rejected for one thing: bad lighting. Sound was great, the sermon was awesome, their stage presence was great. That wasn't the issue, but the problem was lighting. How do you fix that? I'll tell you later. Hey guys, I want to thank you. I'm back. As you can see, I've changed the lighting a bit and took off that harsh lighting that was above. And my face, as you can see, no longer is harsh with the color. And my eyes are probably a lot clearer than what it was before. There's no dark spots. So if you're looking to expand your ministry on a global scale by submitting your work to a television network such as TBN or others out there, you want to make sure that your sound is correct, your video is correct, and your lighting is critical. If you have bad lighting, there's nothing a video operator can do to fix it. It's bad in the beginning, and it's extremely difficult to fix it in post-production or on a video editing software. Extremely difficult. You have to get it right, correct now. So when you edit, that person edits, or you're going live on Facebook, it has to be correct. Because you're speaking to an audience, and if they can't see you and things are harsh in your face, it becomes a distraction, and people sign off, and you lose people. So I will be able to help you with that. Let's talk. I look forward to helping you and working with you soon. Have a blessed day.